Hello my friends, this is Mark. Very quick video. This was something that I came across today and I was quite surprised that I had forgotten about this. It took me a few minutes to figure out. That is how to open a new tab on WordPress so that it opens onto a new window. So quick example would be if I look at this website here. Now if I obviously this is going to lead to my YouTube channel and I want it to open in a new tab. I don't want it to open and my website to then not be there. So I want the tab to open into a new tab. Simple as that, right? So how do we do this? So this is another website. As you can see, now let me just create a custom link first for the menu for this website. We'll just use this URL. So I'm going to create a custom URL. It's going to be this YouTube and just call it YouTube. Now I'm going to add it to this menu. Okay, now I should be able to go in and somewhere here I should be able to tick a box that says open in a new window. Okay, it's not doing that. So I had this problem today. I finally figured it out, remembered what it was. So you go up here to the top, screen options, and it's this one here. You want to highlight this with a tick. So if it doesn't have a tick, then it means that you won't have the option. So when I click this, highlight it, whatever you want to call, and then go back down and save this menu, already you can see there. Now you can see that if I click this and then save the menu again, it's going to open the link in a new tab. Now this website is just one that I use for testing, but let's have a look. There you go, opening in a new tab. So that's short video. Hope it helps you. The reason you want to do this, of course, is because you don't want somebody, if somebody's on your website looking at a review or or something else, and they just happen to look elsewhere, like your YouTube, you don't want them to click this and then completely be away from your website. That's losing traffic, that's losing people. So you want a new window to open up. Now for some things, of course, I wouldn't recommend it, like contact or an about page, because then they're going to maybe get a bit pissed off because they're going to have like 10 tabs open. So you really want to do this only with things that are taking people away from your actual website. Okay, guys, I hope that helped you. Thanks very much. If you can leave a like and subscribe, I'll be back with some more WordPress and SEO tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.